Hello, I'm Genuine Nard, named after the oil poured out on Jesus' feet in the Bible. And this is my series on everything I've learned since my big chop on growing my natural hair. I have enjoyed the opportunity to get out and meet people of different cultures and backgrounds. And one of the things that I love is that most people have the same goals we do. I did not realize all the beautiful things I would learn about Ayurveda. So this is our trip to India and how we can use Ayurveda techniques in our own hair care. Here's the video. I wanted to start this video a little differently. We cannot talk about this recipe until we first acknowledge India. And to me, nothing speaks to that beauty more than the Taj Mahal. This is India. It is a breathtaking ivory marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna. Like the romantic story that caused its commission, beautiful Indian women are world known in part for their glorious hair. This recipe borrows a few of their Ayurveda secrets. Here's a recipe if you want to pause and print screen. Now this recipe starts with black seed oil. Black seed, also known as black cumin seed or nyala, is a native to South Asia, and a 2017 study indicated that hair oil containing black seed reduces fallout up to 76%. That is impressive, but I don't like the smell, so I only use it as an ingredient that I'm going to wash out. Now, the next thing I love to use is henna. And I love henna. This lovely plant is used in India since ancient times, and it's gaining popularity here in the West, in part because of the art of mehndi. As demonstrated here, mehndi is an intricate temporary tattoo made from the powdered leaves of dried henna plant. And it's the same stuff that I use in my hair. As you can see, these tattoos can be beautiful and extremely intricate. Now, is henna permanent? The answer is yes-ish, right? It coats your hair, but it will eventually fade over time, like a year. Henna is known to boost hair growth, and its coating can reduce damage and is believed to prevent or correct hair thinning. Next in is indigo. This is also native to South India. Different varieties of this flower are so pretty, but it's the leaves that are used for that deep blue, almost black color. Now, if you're going for light, this is not for you. But if you ain't afraid of the dark, indigo leaves give the most beautiful shine I've ever seen. And it's an amazing remedy for treating premature graying, also known to stimulate hair growth when used regularly. My last and favorite ingredient is spikenard. I actually get my channel name from this plant. It was the oil poured on Jesus' feet in the Bible. Spikenard properties help hair retain natural color, and it slows down the process of graying. Now, genuine nard in the Bible was so expensive because it was rare. It was only available on spice trade routes from India and China. Fortunately, it does grow wild in parts of North America, but I still use it sparingly. And then the last thing I add to this mix is about a cup of boiling water. This is going to release all of the oils in these dried plants and rehydrate them, giving this entire mix a thicker, silky consistency. And I give it a good stir to release all those lumps and bumps to make sure it's hydrated and completely incorporated. The last thing I do is let it cool for about an hour. It's completely cooled, and I realized I should have worn gloves because, look, this is serious hair dye. I got my trusty applicator bottle, which is my favorite go-to for a less mess process. As I pour this, you can see that there's a lot of shine on this silky blend. And I'll use all of this, plus a little bit extra. And that's it. Once I put my trusty applicator top on, this is ready to use. And you're probably wondering, what is that little extra for? I have a Syrian friend who told me that she uses henna to keep her lashes and eyebrows super dark. Now, I'm not brave enough to dye my eyelashes yet, but it does make my eyebrows look shiny and full. Think of it as Mindy for the brows. I finally did put some gloves on, and thank goodness because I've made quite a little mess. But 20 minutes, and this will stay for a month. All right, so here's my rinsed hair. And as you can see, no gray. No gray, a little bit of the red still. So I wanted to show that this is one of my favorite pre-poos because most people do not know I'm going gray at all. This lasts until I reapply, and it gives me a chance to do my happy dance. Try this before you pick up some chemical dye. I think you'll be impressed with the results. As you can see, Ayurveda is a beautiful and ancient technique for self-care. I hope that you can incorporate some of these techniques in your own hair care. And thank you for watching to the end. Thank you again for watching. I would love to hear your success stories in the comments. You can click the red and subscribe to find all the videos in this series. Click here and check out these other cool videos, and click the bell to get weekly reminders when I post something new.